In this screencast, I'm going to explain how to use Phylo's Community Job Wiki, which you can find at phylo.info/jobs/wiki. The Job Wiki is a page where job seekers in philosophy can share information about the status of particular job searches, which departments have scheduled interviews, made offers, and so on. This information is contributed anonymously, so please take it with a grain of salt. The Wiki's primary purpose is not to tell you what jobs are available. To find jobs to apply for, I'd encourage you to visit our main job listing at phylo.info/jobs, or to visit other job sites such as Phylo Jobs or the APA's Jobs for Philosophers. As you can see, the Wiki is a long list of jobs, categorized according to the current reported status of the job search. So you'll see one job that's been reported canceled, one job that has already scheduled first-round interviews, and so on down to this basic category of accepting applications. The list will tell you the name of the institution that's hiring and the areas of specialization for the job. This information is there to enable you to identify which job it is you're looking at. If you want more information, you can hold your mouse over the name of the job and you will get a tooltip that pops up with additional information. If the job has been contributed by an anonymous user or automatically added by a bot, you'll get this warning. It's an unofficial listing, it's not been verified, but there's usually a source link you can follow to verify it yourself. If it's a job that's been added to our official job listing, you'll get a Phylo Job ID. That means we have verified the information ourselves. To the right of each job listing, you will see a date. This is the date of the last reported update to the job wiki for this job. For instance, if we mouse over this date, we'll see that on November 7th, someone reported that Baruch acknowledged his or her application. Remember, that means that the report was made on November 7th, not necessarily that the application was acknowledged on November 7th. If you want to search for particular jobs, you can enter a full-text search here, or you can use the advanced search options over on the right. For more guidance on using these search tools, please watch our help video for the main Phylo Jobs listing. Now, how do you update the wiki? Suppose you get a first-round interview, that is a phone or Skype or APA interview from, say, Fordham. If you mouse over Fordham here, or over the date of the last report, you'll get tooltips that have an Update Job Status option. Click that, and you'll get a little dialog window with a list of possible updates. So you would click First Round Interviews Scheduled, and the wiki will update the job status appropriately. Suppose that someone else has already reported that a school has scheduled interviews, and you want to confirm this because they've scheduled an interview with you too. Well, you can do the same thing. Click Update Job Status, you would click First Round Interviews Scheduled, and then when a user goes to look at the status history, that would show up twice, letting people know that 2 people have reported first round interviews have been scheduled. A few more things to notice. The wiki automatically checks for updates every 10 minutes, and if it finds new information, it refreshes itself. This will tell you exactly what time it last updated itself. If you're feeling impatient, you can click on that, and it will check for new data right away. If there's no new data, it'll do what it just did. If there is new data, you'll see a little working symbol for a while, and it will refresh itself. Also, take a look at this little icon right here. If you have a free account with us, you can post comments about various jobs, either asking questions or providing additional information, such as how you were contacted to schedule an interview. Even if you don't have an account or aren't logged in, you can read comments that others have posted. Just click this icon and you'll be taken to a new page that contains all the information about the job, the status history, and recent comments. Finally, if you do have an account, Phylo allows you to create a customized list of saved jobs. Let's go over to a different browser where I've logged in with my account. You'll see these empty stars next to each job. Well, click those to save the job to your list. You can always click it again to unsave it. and then you can access your list of saved jobs by clicking this View Saved Jobs link up here, or by going to phylo.info/jobs/saved. That's it for the Community Job Wiki. Good luck to everyone on the job market.